That's exactly what you think it is. Welcome to my 25th birthday vlog. So my day started at 4 a.m. and the initial plan was to go and trek like last year. I wanted to spend some time in nature, but for whatever reasons it did not work out. Though we went to the Karla caves and we got back, we were looking for a certain place in Lonavala, but we did not find any place that we could spend some time. So we thought, why not go to the city of Mumbai? Last year for my birthday, it was a bit different. I went for a trek in Lonavala. It was great. But this year, I decided to go to Mumbai. When I reached Mumbai, I was in Bandra, uh, and the first place that I went to was Mount Mary Church. So I spent some time in the church. I've been visiting this church since my childhood, and it's a very beautiful location in Bandra. Later, I crossed the sea link and headed to one of my favorite places in Mumbai, the Nehru Science Center. In the Science Center, there's a hall of aviation and space. You can see a lot of machines and the replica of certain engines. Here you can see the Chandrayaan 1. You can also find the spacesuit of Indian Space Research Organization. This is the Hercules 2 engine. Here I want to take a moment to say Happy Children's Day to everyone. Never lose the sight of that curious inner child in you and do what you love in life. So, coming back, I also saw this high voltage demonstration. By the way, that's not me crying, but that was very loud and scary. So, this is a demonstrative model of roll, pitch, and yaw. Uh, Just a side note, when we were working on our robot Schwan, this was one of the most important things that we had to work on, and we were struggling for weeks to get it right. But here you can see a pretty good visualization of those concepts and principles.
यानों और अंतरिक्ष स्टेशनों की सफलताओं को देखते हुए अंतर्राष्ट्रीय अंतरिक्ष संस्थानों ने
So after watching the Space Odyssey show organized at the Science Center, I headed back home. I still had more things planned for my birthday, so I think let's talk about the thing that we all are excited for. Okay, so another exciting thing I wanted to do was the single slit action experiment. I'd planned it for a long time. So for this experiment, I used my vernier caliper to make that tiny slit, and I used the red laser light. This experiment was also done using the blue laser light. The blue light basically has lesser wavelength than the red laser, um, and that's why the diffraction pattern that you get is dense and narrower. So here you can see the setup and the laser going through the vernier caliper and projected on a wall in front of it. These are some of the pictures that I took from the experiment. Um, yeah. So another experiment that I did was the surface tension one. It's a very DIY kind of an experiment. I've used soap water to create that film, and it's very amazing to see how this loop of thread, as you break the surface tension, creates a perfect circle. And on that day, it was almost a full moon. So me and my family spent some time watching the moon using my telescope. So finally, I ended my day eating this delicious meal made by my mom. And yeah, that was my 25th birthday vlog.